Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a DIY pink drink from Starbucks, and hopefully you guys can try it out and see if you guys like it for yourself. I think it's almost the same taste, so I really enjoyed doing it. So hopefully you guys like it and try it, and if you try it, leave me a comment below and let me know what you thought of it. And I know I haven't been really consistent, but hopefully you guys understand. I'm in college, but hopefully in the summer I'll have more free time and I'll be able to put more content for you guys. So keep watching. Okay guys, so this is the stuff that you will need. You will need strawberries. You can use fresh strawberries, or you can actually buy the freeze-dried ones from the dollar store. And that's exactly what they do at Starbucks, I believe. But I chose to do fresh strawberries. You will have to cut them. And then you will need this cranberry juice. That's, the other way. It's a white strawberry cranberry juice. You can get this at Walmart. You also need this almond and coconut milk from Walmart. And since I don't have a really clear cup, this is what I'm using. It's a Contigo cup from, I don't know, I think from Walmart. And you will need a 1/2 cup measuring thingy. Now that the strawberries are ready, you'll open it. Oh, and I forgot to mention that you will probably want to add some ice cubes, or if you want to, it's optional, but I'm going to add some. I think we're going to add maybe 3. Sorry. Oh, maybe add just one more, just to have it cold. So now I'm just going to cut the strawberries. Oops. That's why I need a little towel. You just cut them like this, or however you want to have them cut. But I think this is a nicer way. And always wash your hands before you touch food. And this is about 3 whole strawberries. I just cut off the top and the bottom of them. Just like that. Okay, now the next step is I add, 1/2 cup of this silk, almond, and coconut milk. Just like this. Just that much. And you're just going to add it into the cup. And it should look, well, like that. Then, what I do is, let me hold this up real quick, is I add the strawberries in. So I'll just add them in. And then next, for the rest of this, you're just going to add all, until it fills up, of the white strawberry cranberry juice. And you can already see how pink it got, like the pink drink. Just close it up. And you're going to want to just shake it just to mix it all. Let me do it with this.
And that's how it looks, you guys. Like a pink drink from Starbucks.
My final product, and I'm about to taste it. So I'm just gonna, hopefully you guys can see, pop it open. It tastes like it really does. I really hope you guys try this out. And again, if you try it out, please leave me a message in the comments saying that you did. And hopefully you guys really like it. I found this out on Facebook from this post that I saw. And I just wanted to try it, so I went to go buy the stuff. And it tasted really like it. So